All right, let's get your Indeed integration set up. The Indeed integration is a little trickier than others in so much as Indeed has a lot of rules around using it. So the first thing is that you need to have the job posts that you have here, which would be the ones that you're going to be pushing to Indeed, linked to your company's career page on your website. If you don't have a career page, if you come up to settings and edit careers page, we'll make one for you. This is, what I kind of threw up really quick, for our website, just as an example. But you can, like I said, you can hit career page. You can take this URL and you would put it inside of your website, just in the menu, in the footer, doesn't matter, wherever you want to put it, right? Just have yourself a career page there. If you do already have a career page and you like the way it looks and you don't want to fuss with it, but you'll still need the jobs in there. If you click on this button that says embed, this is going to give you a code that all you're going to do is just an HTML code. You're going to place that in the career page. Really simple. Just get an HTML box. You just hit copy, get an HTML box on the website, and paste it in there. Very simple. Save it. You're good. All right. So once you have that set up, then you'll just reach out to me, just email me, say, hey, I've got this set up on my career page. Here's the link to the career page. I'll take a look at it, make sure it's all good to go. I'll flip the switch in your account that says you're allowed to use Indeed, and then you can start using it. So to use it, what you're going to do is just go over to your job post and edit it as you would any other. And then down here, you'll see Indeed, and you'll want to make sure that you put in your email address that is associated with the company and with the website. So if you have a company and the URL to the website and your company email don't match for whatever reason, that's going to be a little bit of an issue for Indeed. You have to make sure that if you are at thehiretalent.com, that your email address is at thehiretalent.com as well. And then you'll save that. Very simple. All right. Now, if you want to get a little bit more advanced and sponsor your Indeed posts, this is also very simple. You're going to go over to settings, Indeed settings, and connect or create your Indeed account. And this will just pop up an extra tab. I've got 1 million employers on here, but you're just going to choose the account that you want to link and you'll link it up, right? Very simple. I'll do mine really quick here to show you. All right, so that's linked up now. I can go to Indeed. I can disconnect the account if I pick the wrong one or want to change things out. You create a new account, what have you, Indeed account settings and all that, right? So then I go to job posts, go back over here, and I'll hit details and edit details again. And now this will say sponsor with Indeed. So you don't have to have the email address worried about at this point, right? So you hit sponsor with Indeed. You can do a one-time campaign. You can do a recurring campaign, whatever you'd like. You can set the start and end dates and the amount that you'd like to budget, and it's just going to bill it directly through Indeed. So you'll get the invoice from Indeed and all of that, and then just hit sponsor. And you're all set. You don't have to do anything else in here. Just like posting directly on Indeed, it'll take a couple hours because it's as far as showing up on their website, because it'll be when their servers refresh. But that would be how you'll get your sponsored ads or your free ads. Either way you'd rather do it, on Indeed. And if you have any questions or you need help with any of the steps setting up the career page, usually the trickiest part, please let me know. Take care.